Okay, so now we're on to the final part. As you've seen in the clip, I just clipped the side. The front part that I'm gonna use is bangs. I'm gonna start smaller sections, and if I don't like the amount of bang, then I just add a little bit more, but I just find it to be a little bit easier for me to not end up hacking off a whole bunch of hair and hating it. So there I am. I'm pulling it forward like so, and I'm looking in my mirror, so I'm gonna kind of turn to the side so I can make sure I do not mess this up. And if you see the motion I'm trying to make, I'm trying to do like this with my hands. So I'm trying to hold my hair in between, like where the fingers are, just to be able to properly cut. So I'm gonna cut at an angle. And for the first cut, I'm gonna be doing downward. So the shortest part is obviously at the top. The longer part's gonna be at the bottom of the hands. So I hope that makes sense. And I'm gonna go in with some hair scissors. And again, I'm facing it downward. And I'm a reasonable amount away from my hands because I know I want it shorter. And depending on how high this drops, I'll keep going lower and lower because I actually like for the bang to somewhat start like here on my cheek to properly frame my face, but I'm such a scaredy cat with scissors, so I feel like starting low and going high is the best way to not hate the bangs. So we're gonna go ahead and do that cut. And I'm gonna just go back, and I'm getting all the extra hairs, and I hope you're able to see that. But this is about how much hair ended up coming off. So not bad. And then if I was to pull this forward, you see how like now there's kind of like longer layers in the front. And honestly, I feel like that is short enough. I might be smart though to cut it just a little bit longer because the leave out section that I did leave is a bit shorter. I haven't flat ironed directly to the root yet with my smaller iron. I just wanted to like hurry up for video purposes. But I know I want my leave outs like here because it's bangs that I'm actually growing out. So my leave out falls there. And so I think I might go ahead and take a smaller part, like just literally, let me show you this. So literally I'm thinking I'll probably take like the front triangle of my hair, so if you can see that. So I'm literally gonna take this part, that clip, and I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. So same deal, and then I'm gonna get another clip and push that part to the side as well. Because again, I want obviously I want curtain bangs. So I really want for these pieces to be the shorter part. But I don't want that for the rest of the hair. And I'll probably end up going through with like some scissors and cutting, but honestly, I focused, I did 26 on bottom, 24 in the middle, and I did, I doubled the wefts, so I halved them over and I sewed it that way, so then there's just like a lot of volume, but you can't, it's still like decent, like flat, it's not too bulky on the top. And then I went in on the top with just like one bundle of 20 inches. So now I'm gonna go in here. And again, we're ignoring this piece because this is like my leave out. And I'm gonna take this part up just a little bit higher. So I see this is like right near my nose. So you see? So I like my bangs to be able to curve back and still hit my cheeks. So I feel like right beneath my nose is short enough, like as short as I'll go. So I'll be able to see that. So like right underneath my nose. So then that's it right here on my cheeks. So then it still gives like that look. And so I'm gonna go in, making sure everything is straight as it can be. you can see now when I'm combing it back how it falls. So that's it falling forward. I'm gonna comb back. So I can go in and go a bit shorter if I wanted to, but I'm gonna wait until I really flat iron my leave out, because that'll tell me how much shorter I'd like to go, because earlier you guys saw me go over with the hot comb. So once I bump it over with the flat iron, I'll know how long I want it. But for right now, this is not too bad, and I do plan on like curling the hair as well. So yeah, the bundles thinned out pretty nice, not too much, but still pretty thick. So hopefully you could see that pretty well. I'm gonna hit like up here, you know, and I don't really feel like that'll suit me, so I think we're gonna stick to long. We might end up playing around, I don't know, but like right now I don't hate it. So yeah, let's finish this and I'll come back and talk to you guys. And sorry, I'm looking at myself too much. I'm trying to see it. But I'm gonna go ahead and go back in and finish flat ironing my leave out, and then we'll continue styling. Be right back.